Hey, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite motor vlogger Royal Tree and yes, I am up with a new video. और आज का वीडियो में कुछ खास होने वाला है बिकॉज दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे चैनल पे एक रिव्यू होने वाला है ऑफ द टॉप बॉक्स, क्योंकि ये वीडियो अभी तक तो मैंने सर्च किया यूट्यूब, मुझे अभी तक कोई भी किसी भी यूट्यूबर ने ये वीडियो बनाया है नहीं है. आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया. इफ़ यू नो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. और ये वीडियो मेरे पिछले वाले वीडियो के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करने वाला है बिकॉज इन माई लास्ट वीडियो आई हैड showed the new bike which I had taken, which is called the Xpulse 200. तो ये उसी से रिलेटेड है because I'll be installing the top box, the ASG top box to the not the Royal Enfield, sorry, ये रॉयल एनफील्ड चला चला के रॉयल एनफील्ड का ही नाम दिमाग में बैठ गया है. तो ये टॉप बॉक्स ASG का मैं आई एम गोना इंस्टॉल ऑन माई न्यू Xpulse 200 2019. सो लेट्स बिगिन एंड आई विल बी गोइंग टू अंधेरी. मेरी एक फ्रेंड की शॉप है वहाँ पे रॉ करके, जहाँ से मैंने मेरा ये टॉप बॉक्स परचेस किया है एंड आई हैव गॉट अ गुड डिस्काउंट फ्रॉम दैट शॉप बिकॉज the owner of the shop is a good friend of mine, also the rider from our rider family of Royal Indian Devotees. तो ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, हम जल्द से जल्द चलते. अभी तो फ़िलहाल तो मैं हूँ ऑफिस में एंड फ्रॉम हियर आई विल बी लिविंग गोइंग टू द रॉ स्टोर विच इज़ इन अंधेरी. अभी मैं मोटो ब्लॉग नहीं करने वाला हूँ फ़िलहाल आज के ये वीडियो के लिए. आई विल बी डायरेक्टली शूटिंग एट द स्टोर, सो कैच यू at the store directly at Andheri at Raw.
That, hey, Johnny Boss, Montalo, high alert, hey, on the go, hey, we on the go. Dreams be contagious, I be giving you the ill, hey. Dreams be contagious, I be giving you the ill, king shit, yeah. Yo, I be in the dirt if you need me, ay. Loyal to that soil, throw that lane, they free. Paying dues, planet underground, where we all stay dreaming. Always speak on grace, knowing that I be it. Morning reassurance, smoke for all my demons. In the cut, no surgery, control my procedure. Sick beyond the surface, know what I believe in. Living history though, not completed. Whoa, I done seen it. All strategic. Fuck a hater though, like I'm seen it. Y'all can't see me. Got the hunger. Stop no longer. Time to piece it. Time to piece it. In your region. Well respected. Got receipts. Got my purpose. Got my reasons. Through experiences I could teach you. Put you on them dreams. That's contagious. I be giving you the ill king shit. Real ones be tryna build. Put you on what's real. Hold up. Know the deal. Hold up. Got my drink pulled up. Let me switch the mode up. Time to shine, glow up. Keep the light, no solar. Every time we show up, we the type to go up. We the type to go up. Got the Dutch roll up. Play this shit, they go nuts. Tryna get your dough up. Let's converse, show up. Afro popping like I'm Leroy. Gaining more respect, say the flex for the decoys. I be on the low, pushing product, not a D-boy. I be spitting dope, something rough for the streets, boy. Beast boy, that technique, boys. Blessing with the curse, constant with the right. That's my wiring, haters getting served. Riding out the range for the dollar, feeling like I'm dang. Know what time it is, beat the hands from the trail I blaze. Not a phase though, this is fate. Pop a mango, see the purpose, all the angles. A lot the gang, yo. See them gems, bout to clean up. See that picture white and I ain't changing up the frames though. Living with your ain't hope, chillin' bout the tango. Down with Destiny, cause she know it take two to tango. But you ain't hope, chillin' bout the tango. Down with Destiny, cause she know it take two to tango. Jeans be contagious, I be giving you that ill king shit. Real niggas tryna build, put you on what's real. Hold up, know the deal, hold up. Got my drink pulled up, let me switch the mode up. Time to shine, glow up. Beat the light, no solar. Every time we show up, we the type to go up. We the type to go up. Got the Dutch roll up. Play this shit, they go nuts. Tryna get your dough up. Let's converse. Let's converse. Yeah, got the city on the high alert. Let's converse. Let's converse. Got the city on the high alert. Let's converse. Let's converse. Yeah, got the city on the high alert. Let's converse. Yeah, I'm a high life though.
So guys, this is the bike and here is the top box जो हम अभी हमारे बाइक पे लगाने वाले हैं. Nice, good quality. So process is just started. अभी ये रैक है जिसके ऊपर टॉप बॉक्स फिट होने वाला है. A good quality of rack. I know you guys must be wondering कि ये कैसे किया है. You must be also excited because even I was excited क्योंकि X-Pulse का जो बैक रैक है वो थोड़ा छोटा है. But still these guys managed to do it. A little bit of R&D work, थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ किया. But yes, after all completion होने के बाद ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिखने वाला है. And इसके बाद होने वाला है जादू. Finally work completed and here's the magic. The top box, the ASG top box, एकदम perfect fit. Awesome work. And see the capacity. See so huge it looks. Tough quality, perfect for touring.
That's my word, haters getting served. You know what time it is, keep the ends, from the turn up, make